Rebel Canners, teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, everyone. I've got some plants to transplant. I cheated my leeks and my onions. Oh my gosh. My older seed did not do well, but this is my new seed. So I have got a bunch of onions and leeks I'm going to be transplanting. We're going to start with our leeks here. Get them in here. And they're in the little bag like this. This was some older seed. I wasn't sure if it was going to do well or not. And so I'm so happy that it has. Just going to get that in there. This is my blue Solanace. So that'll be on the outside edge there. And I'm being very careful not to disturb it, the little root or any of it. We'll get them all in here somewhat in the center. This seed was from 2019. My other seed that I started the first time was also from 2019, but it did not start at all. I'm just going to lay them on their sides just like they were on the paper towel here. And I'm kind of thinking I only had 6, so that's one row of this tray that sprouted. I have 3 more seeds that do not look like they've sprouted yet. I'm going to leave them in the bag and we'll see how they do later. This is my prize taker. So we have the blue Solanace out here on the edge. I need something to mark with. I'll have to figure that out. Then here, I'm going to do the same thing with our prize taker. So, kind of happy. I just wanted enough to do some potato leek soup. Oh, that one I did not. That one I ruined. Yeah, it got left in here too long. There's one though. So we'll get this one here left off. Sorry. It's all right. It just was a John thing. Do you have any idea of something I can use to mark these? A Sharpie? I don't think it'll show up on the black. That one I killed. So I got 9 of these, if they all take from this point out. That is not what I wanted. I think I might have one more that's just about getting ready to sprout. So I might get a few more out of this batch. Oh, I have 10. 10. Oh, that one was sprouted. 11. That might be sprouted. I got a parcel number. I got 12. I got 12 So that's a good 2 rows. Maybe if I can get it out without hurting it there. Get off. Okay. So I got 12 of the prize taker. I'll leave the rest of these in this bag and see if they take. And then for the next row are my Elsa Craig onions. I only have 2. I am really sad. This makes me very sad. I was hoping to get a little bit more of these because this is a favorite. So we'll get that one in. This may have to be my single seed. Oops, right there. Oh no, no. Oh no, it is good. Good. So, that's all I had was 2 of the Elsa Craigs. I think I'll be able to tell those from the leeks pretty darn fast. And then on my scallions, nothing sprouted. Not one single seed sprouted. But again, this was from 2018, so I didn't have much hope, but I put it in here to see if chitting would help. I will put those back on the heat and see. And then I have all of these onions that have sprouted. So these are this year's seed, and you can see this year's seed did much better than the older seed. So these are also yellow. I will have to figure that out here, how to keep them separate from my Elsa Craigs. We're going to get these all put out. You know what? I'm just going to do these in the other container over here. Move that back, move this one back, and that'll be how I keep them separate. So hang on just a second. We'll switch containers. So these will be my yellow onions I got this year's seed. So I'm going to just those 2 in there. Pull out this paper towel because they're all going to go in here anyway. Spread them out once we get them off the towel. It'll be a little bit easier. Whether they've sprouted or not, they're going in here.
I can call the treasurer's office.
Okay, I'll pause. I'm here at my local city and they have free piles of compost and wood mulch. The wood mulch is good, but this compost, you do not want to use this because it is contaminated with pesticides, weed killers, lawn sprays, lawn treatments, and it will kill your garden. I hear a lot of people say to use this. Use this in your garden. Go get it. It's free. You can save a lot of money, blah, blah, blah. Do not do this. Learn from my mistakes. My first year gardening, I went and got it because years ago it used to be really good. They kept the leaves separate from all the other stuff, and you could get just good leaf mulch compost. And it was good black dirt. And it looks good. It looks beautiful. But it's poison for your garden. Don't get it. I did that, potted it. Everything I potted up either was really tiny and shriveled or it died completely. So don't do it. Learn from my mistakes. And I hope this last little tip I had for you really helps somebody. It saves them from having to totally tear all the soil out of their garden bed and start over like I did. So don't use the city compost that's got contaminated with weed killers and pesticides and Lord knows what else. Don't think you can save a buck. Go out, get some potting soil, and do your garden beds right. All right, this is it for today. Thank you, Rebel Canners. See you on the next one. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.